Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you how to work with virtual sets. Now, keep in mind, this is going to be very brief because you're going to get a free coupon code to my course just on introduction to chroma key, green screens, and virtual sets. So you got a whole course on this, but I'm going to quickly show you. Maybe you're a fast learner. Maybe you don't need to take that course. So let's just get rid of a bunch of this stuff we don't need. Just get rid of it all. Let's get rid of everything. Let's just start from scratch. Get rid of everything. Okay, so what we're going to do is add an input, virtual set. Now, I'm going to give you a download of all these virtual sets. I've been really happy with this one here, but maybe we want a different one. Maybe we'll do this other classroom, this group computer lab. So when we click it, it goes to the preview. When we use our transition, it goes to the output. You guys all know that. So we need stuff to put in here. So there's two sides. So there's camera and there's setup. The camera literally allows you to select these inputs. And here, this is the speed in which those that goes to those inputs. Okay, so slow is really the best one. Or you can just cut. And that's kind of cool because then the user doesn't even know like that you're cutting in between different things. I think that's also another really cool one. So, and you can set the speed, actually the custom speeds there. In the setup, that's where we actually put the pieces in that fill the virtual set. So if there was a background supported, we could change the background. Some virtual sets have it, some don't. This one actually doesn't support it. Screen, so we might want to put something in the screen. I just put a virtual set inside a virtual set for the screen. The frame, that's not touchable. Well, I'll show you really quickly what that is in a second. The talent is your camera, so we obviously don't want to put that in there. And let's go ahead and do that. So we put our camera in, our PTZ Optics camera. We need to remove the background with the green screen, so we'll go ahead and do color key, ping, ping, done. Now the talent, now I'm actually in the frame. Move myself with an easy click and drag. And put myself there. Now remember when I said that cropping is used quite a bit? Well, for example, I may want to go in here and crop out like, oh wait, it's going to be on main. Crop out like the side there. And maybe this, because I don't need it. And now it looks great. You see that? It looks perfect. I mean, that looks great. I don't even think it needs to be changed at all. It looks like I'm sitting at a lecture in front of this group, and I can put my presentation in that little screen, and it looks really great. So let me show you the back end of all of this. So if we go to my computer, program files, vMix, virtual sets, these are all the virtual sets, and a lot of these you're going to get for free on a download from me, so keep an eye out for that. It'll be in the links in this video. In the classroom, computer lab, you can see here there's a background file, a foreground, and then a frame. And the frame just is like this thing right behind me. It's that thing that goes around the content, which looks like a television. So that's really what it is, and then you can even go in this config file and configure it. That's talked about in the next course, so I'll just leave it at that. That's your overview. Free coupon code in the next video for all my next courses. This is pretty much where I'm going to leave you. We've gone over everything in vMix. Great job, everybody.